looks really beautiful.
It's new. My mom made it.
Wow, your mom is so good. This is the fresh juice. You want to try?
Okay, thanks. Oh no! I spilled the juice on my new dress. It's dirty. What am I going to do?
Oh, don't worry. I can help you. Let's wipe the stain first. Oh, it got dirtier.
Oh no, it's dirtier. What do we do now? I have an opening ceremony soon.
Kelly, don't cry. I can wash your dress with my washing machine. You'll make it to the ceremony.
Really? That'll be great. Let's do it now. Wow, it's a pretty washing machine.
Kelly, take off your dress. I promise I'll make it clean again.
Okay. Are you sure this machine can clean my dress?
Yes, I am. Look, the first button is the on-off switch. And this is for filling water. The third button is for washing. And the fourth one is for drying. Lastly, if you press this button, the machine will work automatically. This is the little drawer where you can put the detergent. All right, put your dress inside. And add some detergent.
Oh, let me press the switch. 1, 2, 3, start!
Now we have to press the water filling button.
Wow, I hear the water sound.
Yeah. Look, the water is enough. Now let's press the washing button.
All right.
Oh yeah, it's working! Woo woo woo!
Wow, it's spinning so fast.
It'll get even faster during spin drying. Kelly, do you want to press the drying button?
Okay. Wow, it spins even faster.
Okay, it's done.
Oh, yay, it's finished. Huh?
Kelly, the dress is clean now, but still wet. Let's dry it in the sun.
Mew Mew, is my dress dry now? It's almost time.
I'll go check. Kelly, it's completely dry, and it smells so good.
Wow, the dress is as beautiful as it was before.
It looks as good as new.
Mew Mew, thank you for helping me. Now I can go to school looking clean and neat.